Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm back with one more amazing video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about the Clubhouse social audio application, that how you can create your account on this application. So you just need to follow some simple steps and simple instruction if you want to create your account on this application. All you need to do is you just need to install this application, and after it you need to open the application and press on the welcome in. So before moving towards the video, it's a request to all of you, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to smash the like button. So let's get into a video. You can create account on this application using your mobile number. You can also create your account on this application using your Gmail or your iCloud ID if you're an iOS user. So you need to press on the next option, and after that you need to wait for the verification code. It may take some time to get a verification code, and you need to pass the verification code right. Boom. So after passing a verification code, you are ready to go, ready to use the application. You have successfully created your account. You can also import your Twitter account here if you want to, and you can also enter your informations manually. So I'm using this feature right now. I'm pasting my name here. You can also pass your name here, and you can select a beautiful username here. So like in my case, I'm pasting my username here. Boom. So this is my new username. You can also add a profile photo, but I am not adding a profile photo right now. You can skip this option. So you need to wait for a while, and it's aligning the stars. It may take some time. They are suggesting some random peoples. If you want to add them, you can, and boom. So right now I'm following all of them, and last step, allow notification. It's up to you. If you want to, you can also turn off the notification for these applications. Boom. So these are the simple steps which you want to follow to create account. You can also add me on this application using my username. So these are the steps. Boom, boom, ciao. Take care. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Take care. Bye-bye.